JRC. This video we're going to look at how to lower your Wltoys 124019 using a bolt. I know, magic in it. So let's take that off there. And what we do is inside here in the arms is a screw hole for an M3 screw. And if you put said M3 screw into hole and you screw it in, you then have the ability to raise the A-arm, so in turn lowering your suspension, or car, shall we say, more car, not suspension. So if you look at the difference now, putting screw in, dog bones are straighter, going to run smoother, better for off-road. But we want to run it for a speed run, so we're going to lower the car the lowest we can get it with these screws. If you buy the metal upgraded kit off eBay or AliExpress or Banggood or any other online retailer, the rear arms don't come with the holes for the rear to adjust it. So Big Beard in his wisdom devised a plan. I have got another video in my little list of videos called how to fix metal suspension arms, and in that video I will teach you how to make holes, M3 holes, and create the ability to lower the car. All you will need is a 2.5mm HSS drill bit and a M3 tap. You can do 2mm hole and a 3mm tap, but it is always better to use the halves. I've had great success with it. First on YouTube to post a video regarding how to do it. I have shared how to do it with a lot of people. So if you haven't seen the video, check it out. It's honestly, it's a really good fix for something that they should have come with, because why would you only want to lower the front of your car? So as you can see, I'll show you lowered again. I'm going to put these in for now, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my digital calipers out and I'm going to measure each side and adjust until I'm happy. I'm not going to do that on camera because you'll be bored, but I tend to put it on a flat surface and then measure and adjust until everything is identical in tolerance, and it works perfectly. The good thing about the plastic arms is you don't need any Loctite or anything to hold these in. They will hold themselves. You can see that arm's coming up lovely now. So if you look in there, you will see it's lowered. It's lowered at the rear. So if you're sitting now down, it's like a bullet effect, or an arrow, lower at the front than it is at the back. Gives you less ground clearance. It stiffens up the shocks so that there's less movement. The shocks will still work. That noise was just the screw popping off the side of the chassis leg, but that's only because I was putting stupid amounts of force on it. But that's what you want for speed running. You want it arrow like. Don't like the sound of these 550 motors. So yeah, so that's how we lower the 124019 using Fuller M3 bolts. I'd suggest anything above 10mm to allow you to have some adjustment. 12 to 15 would be ideal. You can get them at your local hardware store, hobby store. You might even have them in your little kits that you get for 144001s and the like. So yeah, brilliant. Another job finished on the 124019 before we even take it out for a run. So check us out at Facebook at Big Beard RC and at Instagram at Big Beard RC. I'll see you all in another video. Take care, everyone. Remember, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit the bell button to be notified of any future videos.